welcome back to my channel, and as you can tell from today's title, I will be showing y'all my new packaging for my lashes and my new vendor and all that stuff. Just go ahead and jump right into it. Just like my last video, before I do anything, I spray my surface with bleach, because you know we still in the pandemonium. But even before then, you still just spray this surface. I put on hand sanitizer myself. I would have wore gloves, but since I have on these long sharp nails, I break through every pair of gloves. So I put on hand sanitizer, make sure everything real clean, real hygienic, like, or whatever. So I actually just got a new shipment in, and I'm about to open that up. I'm in the middle of making TikToks or whatever. So this is how my lashes come. I had to go and get a new vendor because right in the middle of the pandemic, my first vendor, like, she kind of got an attitude with me. She wasn't being all that nice, and it was kind of irritating. I guess maybe because, like, I wasn't ordering big quantities or whatever, and she kind of just stopped responding, and then she went up on her prices, which I didn't like. So yeah, I had to go start from scratch and go get a new vendor, and I found this one. Perfect. Oh, and then another thing about my first vendor, her packaging was just really expensive for no reason, and she was trying to charge me like $1,000. But this is my new lash packaging. You can see I just have, hold on, can y'all see? Wait, yeah. As you can see, I have MillionHeiress Beauty, and they all come like this in this plastic sleeve. And these cases, they might look plastic, but they're actually acrylic cases. Like, they're the real deal. They're not flimsy or nothing, so they're gonna last, the case itself. And I plan on putting the name of the lash like in this back thing right here, since it's just white. But yeah, like, that's pretty. That's very much that. So this is how my lashes come. I like that. They're just so pretty. This one right here is Heiress. Yeah, this one right here is Heiress. This one is Monarch, because it reminds me of butterfly lashes, because of, like, butterfly wings, because, like, the flare at the bottom and how they're spaced out. They just look pretty to me. And this one right here is Montego Bay, because I want to go to Jamaica. Like, mama, it's time for us to get flued out. Flued out. Like, we need to go to Jamaica. This gives me Jamaica. Don't ask me why. I think just to keep this video just a little short, I'm only going to show y'all these three.
Flued out and then leave me alone.
Huh?
Flued out, then leave me alone.
What is that supposed to mean?
That means fly me out, but don't be all up under me. I'll see you later.
Okay. Anyways. And then these are the lash spools that come with them for cleaning, and also when you apply them, this will help them, like, blend better. Let me go back to my TikTok. Every time I get on TikTok, I need a feel. What is that? Okay. But first thing I do is I take these out of the plastic from one vendor. I think that's the best thing to do. It'll help on a lot of confusion and all that other stuff. And I don't know what it is with me and packaging sizes, but I can never get it right. So I still have to trim off the sides, but not as compared to my other ones where I had to trim this whole part. If you know, you know. Look at that. That's so pretty. Very much Sephora. Okay, so this is the final product or whatever. Everything's organized by style. Again, these are Montego Bay, Heiress, and Monarch. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you do subscribe, make sure to click the bell notification, because what's the point of being subscribed if you don't know when I post? That's ridiculous. But anyways, thank you. Stay safe. Wear a mask. Okay, wear it.